The Tranya B530 Pro. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we'll take a look at the Tranya B530 Pro, the new upgraded version. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user manual, micro USB cord for charging, and small, medium, large ear tips. The B530 Pro features 10 hours of listening time, 80 hours total with the case. It has quick charge, so 10 minutes will give you 1 hour. Uses Bluetooth 5.0, app-decked AAC codec, and it has CVC for noise reduction. Touch controls, micro USB for charging, and it's IPX5 sweat and water resistant. The main new feature of this model is the addition of the app-decked codec support for all-around better sounds. The case is similar to the previous version. You have the matte bottom with a grippy feel and the smoke top lid. On the front, you have the status LEDs. And on the left side is the micro USB charge port. The lid is magnetic and it opens and closes smoothly. The earbuds are also held into place by magnets, and they're easy to remove from the case. You can see the ear indicators etched inside the case. The earbuds have an ergonomic shape, and the inside has a matte finish with the ear indicator markings. The outer face has a nice large surface for the touch controls, and you can see the logo along with the accenting. Each of the earbuds feature a microphone, touch control, LED, charging contacts, and interchangeable ear tips. Here they are side by side. Navigating the playback and call controls is just a matter of tapping or a long hold to get the desired function. The case comes in at 3 inches by 1.9 by 1.2 inches. It weighs in at 44 grams and the earbuds come in at roughly 10 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Waiting on the edge of this moment, holding out for something golden. Found a light on a hill. I was waking up, looking for peace in a world that's divided. Gotta hold on tight when you find it. I was turning around, I was waking up. You're pulling me right in, rotate to you again. I'll live the rest of my life.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Tranya B530 Pro microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone worked well during calls and other parties had no issues hearing me. You can use the earbuds independently, left or right side, and the pairing process is instant. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was also stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Tranya B530 Pro. The overall fitment is in line with the previous version. They are easy to put on and it created a nice tight seal. There is good passive noise isolation and they felt secure. Touch controls are a plus as it doesn't add pressure when navigating. Build and quality is pretty good. Case has a simple design just like the previous version and it's easy to grip and it feels durable. Earbuds also feel durable and it has a nice ergonomic shape. They don't protrude out as much and the touch controls are responsive. Battery life is excellent, coming in at 10 hours and 80 hours total with the case. Now when it comes to sound, it's definitely an improvement. Starting off with the bass, it is pronounced and it comes in deep and punchy. It doesn't overwhelm. Mids and highs really stand out. I feel there is good separation and depth. Vocals come in very clear. It seems a bit more boosted on the mids and highs, but just the right amount, and you may have picked up some of the details in the sound samples. You can listen at a high volume and it doesn't get distorted. Overall, I think this model is definitely an improvement. There is more clarity and better all-around sounds in my opinion. Battery life has improved as well. So that is my review of the Tranya B530 Pro. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.